Deep pink. Let's draw a cute panda. First, draw the head. Black. Good. Now, draw 2 big spots around the eyes. Every panda has them. Now, draw a little mouth so the panda can laugh. Good job! Now, draw the panda's ears. Wow! And now, draw a small body. And a round belly. Excellent! Draw the panda's front legs. There's just a little bit left. What a cute little panda you've drawn! What? Ah, ah, yoo-hoo! Yoo!